wanna talk no more. I don't wanna talk. I just wanna hit the floor. I don't wanna talk. I don't wanna talk no more. I don't wanna talk. I just wanna hit the floor.
Double up just to try to get back to you. This weekend without you, I just don't know how to do it. Double up just to try to get back to you.
Alright, you guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I tried to pull up my top so you guys could see that I actually had a top on and try to get it in frame, but obviously that was not working. So yeah, I just wanted you guys to see that I'm not like, you know, naked in this video. But yeah, so I'm basically starting off like how I always do. I go in with my MAC Cosmetics concealer in NC45. I'm just carving on my brows with that and then blending that concealer down to my crease area. And then I'm going to be going in with my base. So I sped this video up just a little bit, but not as fast as I normally would because I really want you guys to see what I'm doing. Me applying my base will always be incorporated in all of my videos pretty much because it's such an important part. The base obviously is going to set the foundation of how your eyeshadows go on and how they blend. So yeah, I will always incorporate this part in my videos, and just to show you guys that it's really important to get a nice even layer all over your lid, your crease, and just everywhere that you're going to be applying the shadows. So now I'm going to be going in with my two cosmetic paints by P. Louise. So yeah, I'm just going to be taking that and doing like an ombre effect. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just applying those shades. I worked pretty fast with these just because they do dry down in like 60 seconds. So I am going to be applying two purple ones that I'm going to mix together, but I'm going to do that after I get these two out of the way and just set them because I didn't want it to set on its own before I even put the eyeshadow on top of it. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing these next clips, and I'm just going to be making sure that they blend together and just have a nice gradient effect. I will say, you guys, this was definitely a look where I had to like trust the process. It looked a mess like majority of the time, but like if you're familiar with makeup and just eyeshadow, mainly eyeshadow, then you're kind of familiar with this process. Like you just have to trust it, and then everything always comes together in the end. So at this point, I'm just going to go in with all of my transition shades and just blend out those previous shades that I applied. I did notice that the transition shades that I chose, they look different in the pan, but as I put them on, they look very similar to the shade that I had already applied, which is okay. Like, as long as you like blend it out, it's pretty much fine. You can have somewhat of like a gradient effect. Like I said, this was definitely a makeup look where you just had to trust the process. So yeah, I just pretty much did that. And then after I apply the transition shades, I'm just going to blend them out and go back in with the previous shades that I used just to make sure that it's to the intensity that I want it to be. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease after that.
I'm not really up for this. Yeah. Don't think I'ma get through this again. I'm not really up for this. Yeah. got me falling, falling in love, that's what you call it. You got me falling, falling in love, that's what you call it.
So usually when I go ahead and cut the crease, I use Blank Canvas, which is also by P. Louise. It's a cosmetic paint in collaboration with Mama Mitchell. So yeah, you guys, I wanted to switch it up though and use something different. This is still a cosmetic paint, but it's in the shade 1. So I think it's like in the skin tone collection. So yeah, obviously this is the lightest shade in that collection. And I'm gonna be completely honest, you guys, like the product was separated from the oil or whatever, like liquid kind of consistency it was in. Like, I'm not really sure, but it definitely was not thick and emollient like how it usually is. I think actually no, it was a little bit too emollient. Yeah, like I said, like it had some type of oil in it, so it just wasn't laying down as properly. I feel like my lid shades would have looked a lot better if I just used my blank canvas, or I just pretty much squeezed out some of that product and just mixed it together so that product can just all blend together. But yeah, for the most part, you know, it still came out nicely or whatever. I did run into a couple of problems with this look, but overall it still came out pretty well. But yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there that I don't think it had anything to do with the eyeshadows, and it was pretty much the base. You guys probably won't even be able to tell for real, but I definitely could tell when I was doing the eyeshadows. So yeah, you guys, a really important step when you go in with any base, you just want to make sure that you're patting out some of the product. You know, just make sure that it's a nice even layer and it's not too cakey. So yeah.
So we should give her something, something to talk about. Cause everybody's talking, saying that we're on it. So we should give her something. Let's give her something to talk.
Okay, you guys, so this is going to be like a real transparent moment right now. So yeah, I really did try my best to pre-record this video, which I am. But at the same time, for you guys who don't know, I am in the military. So yeah, the military definitely does take up a lot of my time, and I am currently getting prepared to go out to the field. It's actually the day of me going out to the field, and my ride is outside. So I'm not going to really have time to do a voiceover, like be able to finish the rest of this video. So I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video now. I hope you all enjoyed this video and found something new that you can do and incorporate into your makeup look. But yeah, you guys, I will definitely see you in my next one. Stay tuned for more Valentine's Day looks because they are coming very soon. And also, if you guys would like to see an updated highlight and contour video, just a whole foundation routine, then please just let me know. But yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
I'm really up for this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't think I'ma get through this again, again. I'm really up for this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't think I'ma get through this again, again.
Better time in, good for nothing. All out of love with you. Better time in, good for nothing. All out of love with you.
I don't wanna talk no more. I don't wanna talk. I just wanna hit the floor. I don't wanna talk. I don't wanna talk no more. I don't wanna talk. I just wanna hit the floor. Give me five, give me five, give me five, yeah. Give me five, give me five. Give me five, give me five, give me five, yeah. Give me five. I'm really up for this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't think I'ma get through this again, again. I'm really up for this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't think I'ma get through this again, again.
Better time in, good for nothing. All out of love with you. Better time in, good for nothing. All out of love with you.
I don't wanna talk no more. I don't wanna talk. I just wanna hit the floor. I don't wanna talk. I don't wanna talk no more. I don't wanna talk. I just wanna hit the floor. I don't wanna talk no more. I don't wanna talk. I just wanna hit the floor. I don't wanna talk. I don't wanna talk no more. I don't wanna talk. I just wanna hit the floor.
I'm really up for this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't think I'ma get through this again, again. I'm really up for this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't think I'ma get through this again, again.